వరల్డ్ కప్ బ్యాడ్మింటన్లో పథకం సాధించడం అనేటువంటిదే గగనమైపోతున్న ఈ టైంలో మానసైన మనకి రజతాన్ని సాధించింది. తను రజతం సాధించిన తర్వాత హైదరాబాద్కి రావడం జరిగింది. ఇప్పుడు మనతో పాటు ఉంది. హాయ్ సైనా, ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ కంగ్రాచులేషన్స్ టు యూ.
థ్యాంక్ యూ.
సో 19-20 ఆ పాయింట్ దగ్గర అసలు మీ మైండ్లో ఏం జరిగింది? సెకండ్ సెట్ ఒకవేళ మీరు విన్ అయ్యి ఉంటే ఎలా ఉండేది?
It would have been definitely different because 19 was a point which is actually a very crucial point, and I actually wanted to be very safe, or the same thing she was also playing. She also wanted to be very safe, but I think I just hit a little bit too much to the forehand where the drift was there, and the shuttle just went out. So and the 18th point also I took a judgment which was not right. So those 2 points made a lot of difference in the game, and she took the game 21-19. So those last 2 points, from now on, whenever I play in any match, I have to make sure that I be a little bit more safe, little bit more alert in the last 2 points, and not to do that mistake again. But I tried my best. I gave my best, and I came back with the silver medal this time in the World Championships, where I actually never had a medal before. So
సడన్లీ ఒక డౌన్ఫాల్ నుంచి ఓన్లీ 1 ఇయర్లో ఏంటి ఇంత మెరికల్ అంటే ఇప్పుడు వరల్డ్ కప్ సిల్వర్ మెడల్ కావచ్చు, ఇంకా మామూలు కప్స్ కావచ్చు, మిగతా సూపర్ సిరీస్లు కావచ్చు, ఒక్కసారిగా ఇక్కడ హైదరాబాద్లో లేనిదేంటి అక్కడ మీకు బెంగళూరులో ఉందేంటి? గోపీచంద్ కానీ లేకపోతే విమల్ కుమార్ కానీ మీ మీద ఎటువంటి ప్రభావం?
I think till last year, I think many people were just saying that my movements are becoming a little slower, and I'm not able to beat the top players, and I'm losing to the even lower ranked players, and not crossing certain stages of big events, and these all things were a little bit irritating me. It was not me. I always fought when I played against any player on the court, but there was no answer for anyone why I'm not crossing those difficult stages in the big events, or in the super series also I was losing in the first round or in the second round. So things were getting very difficult for me. I was not happy being a player to come down from world number 2 to 4 to 9, which was not right. Somehow I just felt very bad about it, and I just thought I have to take a decision. I have to improve, or it's better to just stop playing. So I spoke to Vimal sir, and he said, Saina, why don't you just come to Bengaluru, and it will be a change of atmosphere, and also you will see if your game is improving, then you can take a decision. So luckily, I'm very happy I took the decision of moving to Bengaluru, and after that, I just saw myself improving so much. I almost beat Wang Yan in the Asian Games, and then I won the China Open. Then I was just seeing the improvement is happening, and I just wanted to improve a lot more, and I just wanted to be more positive, and I was very sure that now the results will come, because sir was giving me that special attention which was required for a world class player.
So coming week lo you will be number 1 once again.
Yeah.
So danni keep up chesukodam ela planning?
It is tough. World number 1 rank is what everyone wants to achieve, and I hope I can be world number 1 for a longer time now, but I will work hard to be the best for a longer time, and world number 1 rank itself is a major rank, and every player dreams to be world number 1. I am one of them, and I'm coming back to it again. I think this is the third time in this year I will be number 1. So it's a very positive phase of my life, and I would like to just continue training hard and maintain my position.
థ్యాంక్ యూ సైనా, అండ్ విష్ యూ ఆల్ ది బెస్ట్ ఫర్ జపాన్ ఓపెన్.
Thank you.
సో అది జపాన్ ఓపెన్ తన నెక్స్ట్ టార్గెట్ అంటున్నారు. అలాగే ఒలింపిక్స్ కూడా తగిన సన్నాహాలు చేసుకుంటూ ఉన్నారు సైనా. కెమెరామెన్ వెంకట్తో ఫణి, సైనా నెహ్వాల్ హౌస్.